way to our first classic car meet ever. Mike, you're driving Eddie.
Indeed, yeah, first meet.
How does it feel?
It feels good. It feels good, and it's not a big show. It's just a late afternoon, early evening meet. We'll give you a full sort of report when we get there and show you around. It's a good venue, so yeah, we'll see you there. That is 60 miles an hour. 60 miles an hour according to the sat nav. Yeah, it's alright.
That's actually pretty good, quite smooth.
Yeah, I'm bringing it down a bit now.
Yeah.
There's a roundabout coming.
But what do you think to that?
It's alright. Yeah, it's alright. We made it. Okay.
Okay.
Our first informal car meet, really. But as I say, good venue. Great British car journey. Really interesting place, actually. Been here before we got the bus, and you can drive their cars, which is quite an interesting museum concept, really. Not something you normally see. Anyway, we're going to go and have a coffee, get ourselves settled, and then we'll do a walk around of what's here alongside Eddie. Catch you later. So, as I say, we're just going to go and get a coffee. Plenty of interesting stuff coming in to look at. But I mentioned earlier the Drive Dad's car thing. I'm not sponsored this or anything, it's just I have done it and it was good fun. And these are some of the cars that you can book to drive, which is quite cool. Not many museums where you can actually drive the exhibits, so it's a bit different. And obviously they've got loads more than this. They've got a whole museum load, so check out the website if you're interested. Anyway, gonna get coffee and I'll be back. Just walking to the cafe to get a coffee, and yeah, heck of a collection. And this is only a tiny bit of it. They've got loads in storage and they circulate round now and again. But today will not be a full tour of the British car journey because we're here for this afternoon, early evening meet. And technically the museum is, well, pretty much closed now, I believe. But it gives you an idea of the sort of thing you could come and see, and the sort of thing you could come and drive, which, as I say, for a museum is quite interesting.
This collection tracks British motoring history when Britain ruled the roads.
Well, there you go, Britain ruled the roads, apparently, according to the video. So yeah. Really cool collection. Anyway, I'll keep on saying I'm getting a coffee. I'll be back in a bit. So, suitably refreshed from coffee, we're now back outside. Well, this has caught Maia's eye. Moggy Minor Traveller. It's nice, isn't it?
So nice.
Beautiful wood on it, obviously been redone. Because obviously they're structural on these, so it's quite important that the wood is good. But yeah, no, that's lovely. Old English white. Lovely. That seems quite a good turnout. Not the only VW here. Little Golf Cabriolet pulled in. So yeah, we'll just have a mooch round and see what else here. Another Golf Cabriolet over there. So this is just sort of like a general car meet in the car park of the Great British Car Journey. Good mix of cars. We will do a general sweep around, show you what's here. But yeah, it's a good mix. They do this once or twice a month where people just turn up and bring their own classics. So you never quite know what you're going to get. But, like a 1942 Willys Jeep, for example. Cool. Hello.
Hi. Wow, brilliant old Jeep.
It's fantastic, isn't it?
That's so good, isn't it? Look at the wooden floor.
I know. So the water runs off the...
That's so much fun, isn't it?
Fantastic, isn't it? Maximum speed 40 miles an hour. There you go. It's slower than an Eddie. Yeah. Yeah, real mix of cars. Daimler Dart, as they were called. Yeah, I always thought they look a bit fish-like from the front.
This might be
That's going to alienate some of my potential audience, isn't it?
It's
I always
for sale,
think,
you know.
I always think that grill looks like a trout. But there we go. That's just me. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. It's just what I think it looks like. Lotus 7, probably replica or maybe original. I don't know. It's cool. The old Zodiac over here. That's cool. Love the colour. Really cool colour. Bit before my time, that, but I can definitely appreciate it. As indeed the is it Applejack Green Metro? These were everywhere when I was learning to drive. Tasty little Fiesta. Oh, sorry about the noise in the background. Mini Countryman. Unlike the Morris Minor, the wood isn't structural, I believe, on these. Yeah, that looks like work in progress, but nice nevertheless. Austin A35, is it? I begin to struggle on the older stuff. You need Old Classic Car to great channel. If you haven't discovered that, do check it out. Old Classic Car. He really knows his onions. He'd be able to tell by the shape of that rear window what generation that Austin is. But no, lovely thing. Lovely thing. So as I say, just going to go for a general wander. So I was saying I like the Zodiac. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. And there's Eddie, holding his own. Holding his own. Not sure bringing a German van to a British car journey. Anyway, I quite like the irony. It's neither a car nor a British. But there we go.
Check out the bar.
Check out the bar. You can come here and have pints. Yes, very civilised. We had coffee because we're boring.
What does that say? So what have we got here now?
So we got TBR,
The
fairly modern one.
TBR, is that?
Well.
What TBR is that?
That's quite modern for me. Is it Tuscan Griffith? I don't know. I'm not very good on my TBRs. Tuscan.
I was
Yeah.
right then.
You were right. Yeah. Nova Club. My mum had one of these. And I very kindly crashed it for her. because I'm nice like that.
I think there's a story there somewhere.
There is. Yeah. 88 on the E, something like that. 87 maybe. Which was the year I learnt to drive. So yeah, very much my bread and butter. Loving the Droop Snoop Vauxhall. Absolutely loving that. Park next to Eddie. Yeah, really nice. Bit different. Bit different.
I'd definitely have that.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it? It's the full fire Forenza that as well. Nice. GT Cortina. Very nice. There's some moderns here as well, which is cool, but we're not going to focus too much on the moderns. Lovely old Ford. I call them Granadas, but there's probably some technical reason why it isn't. Some of them were. Kevin and Tracy.
I like it.
And I'm loving the tiger seat covers. Go on.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, fantastic.
Excellent.
Look at that.
And our partner's name is Tracy.
Fantastic.
This come out before we got together.
Oh, wow.
But I've known my partner for a long time.
Yeah,
It's awful, doesn't
yeah.
it? But yeah,
You don't look old enough, sir.
Oh, you're a nice man. Take more pictures. So yeah, it's one of them things.
Yeah.
I love the colour.
Beautiful.
Just love
Love
that
the
colour.
colour.
Yeah.
What colour do you think it
I
is?
would call it an orange, but
No.
there might be, yeah.
It's called
it-
Sebring Red.
It's meant to be
Sebring
red,
red.
is it?
After the
Excellent.
racetrack in America, Sebring.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
But yeah,
Do you think it's very
3 litre V6.
sporty, that
Wow.
colour?
it is.
Yeah, yeah. Very
Yeah,
nice.
I fully rebuilt that.
Oh, wow. You know what you're doing then. Bit faster than mine.
You think? Oh, what you got?
I'm in the bus.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
I
A
saw
little
it come in
bus.
that. Oh,
Yes.
Not
I'm a-
British and not a car.
Not a car, not British, so perfect venue.
I'm actually restoring a Mark 1 Transit camper van.
Are you really? Oh, fantastic.
So you'll see that here possibly next year.
Oh, very good. Possibly.
I like
Yeah.
the colour of that. It's a nice colour, that was.
Yeah, it's a VW colour.
Yeah.
What's the colour code? Is it
Birch green.
birch green?
Birch green.
Yeah, over alpine white.
I'm actually watching a guy on YouTube, he's deaf,
Yeah.
doing up.
Oh, right.
And he's done the underneath a really nice light blue.
Nice.
He's
Yeah.
doing the side. I think
Yeah.
he's keeping the original. The roof's like a really nice white.
Yes. Yeah.
The sides, I don't know what he's doing with the sides because he hasn't got that far yet. But
Ah, yeah. Oh,
It's,
the world's your oyster, isn't
oh
it, with
God,
them?
yeah.
Well, that came in from Australia.
did it?
Yeah, it was
So
actually.
That's had no rust whatsoever then.
No, it's never been welded. That.
Just the odd spider and snake.
Yes. Yeah. vetted at customs, but it was actually an ex-Australian Army.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I could only assume for taking the captain to the pub.
You're
Because
bringing him back.
Because I can't think of any military application for
Not really, no.
But yeah, inside there's a little bit of the old khaki
Come on,
green. Yeah, come and have a
Oh,
look.
yeah.
That's the original colour. Either that or respraying and now it's too difficult, so we didn't bother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long have you owned this then?
About a month.
Oh really? Oh, these people that have had cars for years.
He's had the different ones over the years.
I went out to buy a Morris Minor.
Only
and
from
I came
about
back
age
with
17. But
I've had mine 22 years.
it's lovely that.
I paid 150 quid for that.
See, that's just
I didn't
like.
pay 150 quid for that. I just used it for.
These are the original seats.
They are.
They haven't recovered.
No, these are the originals, but they've been restuffed.
Yeah, so give them back.
They look quite new, don't they? I know what you mean, but
Yeah, Yeah.
That's why it's a plus.
Yeah, no. That's, as far as I believe, there's nothing in the history about it other than the restuffing.
That's nice. It's reviewing the chocolate.
Yeah, this is showing. You know, when people are
That's just
bit in it when they brake too hard.
Is that when you're driving or something?
Yeah. Oh, that's yeah.
So,
That's gorgeous.
And it's pretty comfy. But we normally.
So, it's nice. We've got chatting. So just cut the video off. Lovely old Landy. Really like that. Really nice. Short wheelbase. As I say, it's a really good mix of Gilburn GT, yeah. Real good mix. And still they're piling. Some immaculate cars here. 2-litre S. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, this really is something, isn't it? Wow. And that's what it started as. And it now looks like that. A lot of work. The Vandenplas 1500, not an Allegro. Apparently this was used by James May. There we go. Barchetta. Really nice. What's nice as well is there's some really old stuff here as well. I mean, this isn't part of the museum collection. This car pulled in. So that's a good effort, isn't it? Loving the patina. Nicely used. Really nice, really nice, very genuine. Wow. Beautiful. Mini, 1980 or thereabouts. This looks expensive. I'll just say this looks expensive. Beautiful.
It's lovely. This is it yours?
Beautiful, really nice.
How long you had it?
I've had it 13 years.
Nice.
It's one of the 19,000 miles from here.
Wow.
It's in a showroom for building it for 10 years. So
Wow.
it inspired.
Yeah.
Didn't get registered for 1990.
Fantastic.
It's an original.
It reminds me
This? You have no idea how special this car is. This?
I recognise the wheels, and it was that sort of pinky burgundy colour.
So it's one of the last of the 1100 engines.
Rose. Yeah,
Yeah.
with the
And
beige
it's the
interior.
only Mini
That was my-
from factory to come with a vinyl roof, and the only Mini from factory to come with a centre
Rusty
console.
Mini in those days,
Yeah,
you know.
which is just fantastic. I mean, look in there. That is just craftsmanship. It's brilliant. Yeah, come from factory like that. It's tremendous. Yeah.
I'd say really cool that all this old stuff's turned up, and this has all been driven in. This isn't trailered in, this is driven in. Absolutely the way to be seen. Another TVR, good turnout. Here's a test for you. Where are the door handles on that?
Oh no. Because
How would you open the door on that
I
car?
know. Don't look them up.
No.
No.
The handles are underneath the wing mirrors.
Oh,
You see those little black
sneaky. Yeah,
black
I'm seeing that now.
bobs? You pull those and the door's open.
Well, it's not obvious.
That's the extent of my knowledge.
You know.
Trafalgar Blue Moggy. Fantastic. 2 Escort. It isn't rally spec'd up, although it has got the headlights. But nice, really nice. Cortina. So yeah, just a really cool little car meet. And a good first trip. This is only like 35 minutes, roughly 40 minutes from where we live, so another Gilburn GT.
No.
Yeah, Welsh car maker.
That's a Welsh car maker.
Gilburn, yeah.
Is it your car?
No,
Oh, it's lovely though, isn't it?
it is good.
Yeah, very nice that.
Ford Capri.
No, it is good.
And back up to the top. The Scimitar GTE. We're not going to say Princess Anne owns one of those. Sierra Base P100. Some lovely minis. So it's just good to see all these old cars being driven in, and great to see that the weather is kind of holding off. I've fated it there now, haven't I? I'll start checking down any minute now. MG. MG waiting to come in, Maestro. So yeah, a great British car journey. And we turned up in a German van. Too sure what that says really. There we go.
On your van. Do you like it?
It won't start now.
Yeah, nice people carrier.
Oh, thank you. Well, there's plenty of room. I mean, it's one of those, isn't it? You've got all the seats that you need, and it's surprisingly comfy as well.
Yeah, I bet, yeah.
We thought we'd start a taxi service. classic taxis.
Yeah, very good.
I'm joking, obviously.
No, yes, nice.
I went out to buy a Morris Minor and I came back with this.
Did you?
Yes. There we go. An impulse buy.
Where'd you get it off eBay, did you?
Not quite.
There's plenty of them advertised on eBay. Classic cars, that is.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Did you buy it in this condition? Wasn't it?
Yes, it came in it's Australian. It came in
Right.
2007.
Explains the rust freeness.
Yes, it's never been welded.
Really?
No, I haven't.
They're driving Canada then.
That is astonishing. That is
The dry state, so
Yeah,
dry
that's
climate.
Oh, if only we had something similar to that.
Australian Army.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, is that what it was then?
Yeah. That was it was supplied new to the Australian Army, and that was the khaki green.
Oh, I see. Right, the original.
The original khaki green, and it came in, as I say, in 2007, and it was sprayed in 2008.
Right.
So it's held up pretty well, because obviously, you know, that's quite a few years ago now.
Yeah, if you think about it, that's 15, 16, 15 years ago, isn't it?
Yeah. But whoever called through did a good job.
I didn't do very well. I started off. Got it early rains. Looking at it, they were right. I don't know, faded. Took me 2 hours, 45 minutes.
So it's nearly time to make a move. I think people are beginning to leave. So yeah, it's been a good first outing. And now Maia's going to go and bother Sarah Crabtree, name dropping personalities. So final look around. It's really cool. But yeah, people are beginning to leave, so we'll make a move in a minute. And Eddie. She's star bombing now, my wife. Look at her. just because we've started a YouTube channel, she thinks we're going to get more views.
And I just think it's a great way of doing it for women with classic cars, because it's still not really seen as like a women's thing. We love cars.
Yeah.
Well, great.
I don't know if you've seen a new show that's out on Channel Dave on a Sunday night at 6.
I know Dave, but
the channel, Channel Dave TV, and it's called The Repair Lot, and it's female led. So it's Charlotte Bowden presenting it.
Cool.
You've got a female mechanic. So yeah, you must check that out. You must check that out.
So we're doing a channel that's called Old Van New Van. So that's what
Yeah.
we started with.
And that rust bucket over there is what we've got. Yes.
Thank you.
We've been on 1 week.
Yeah, it's pretty soon. You've got to start something. Amazing to meet you.
Yeah, good to see you. Thanks. Cheers. Okay. Yeah, we better get going. Made it home, and Eddie is nearly tucked up under his covers. Just needs to have a little bit of adjustment, but yeah, we're home. Made it. Really good first meet, and we'll be out again next weekend. It's a big car show, full day thing up at Rotherham. I think it's Wentworth Hall next weekend, 6th of August. So if by chance you're attending, come and say hello, because we'll be there. Thanks very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, it really helps us out, particularly being a brand new channel. And yeah, we'll see you again very, very soon. Thanks for watching.